just a little giddy, you know. I'm always giddy when I get something that I really like, really love. Hey guys, so I went to Louis Vuitton today and I've been looking at this item for a while, so I finally picked it up and I thought instead of just, you know, taking it out of the box, putting it in my closet, let me take the opportunity and do just a mini unboxing with my Fab fam. So if you want to see what I got, then you have to stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to my channel, Simply Fabuluxe, and I like to talk about luxury goods, items, a little bit of lifestyle, and I try to sprinkle in a bit of tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. All right, so before we get into today's video, because today's a good one, I have an unboxing from Louis Vuitton. Okay, but before we get into that, let's just get some housekeeping out the way, and I just want to ask you guys to go ahead and please like this video. It's a good one. Subscribe to the channel because I have great content here, and then hit the notification bell so you can stay notified when I upload a video, which I do every week. So now that we got that out the way, let's get into today's unboxing. Like I said, I picked up an item from Louis Vuitton that I've really had my eyes on. You know, I've been really looking at this item, saving. I'm all about making sure that you buy an item that you know you're going to like, you're going to use, and you know, if you need to, save up for it, because it's okay if you need to save up for luxury items. There's no shame in saving if you want to buy something that's a little pricey, all right? So that is what I did. I did save my coins, and I bought the item that I have been really admiring and wanted to add to my closet. Okay, so let me get this out for you. Actually, let me go ahead and get this box out. So I got the box out of the bag. I was struggling a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead and take this out. Now, these are shoes, and these are shoes from the women's collection or the women's line, because I know I've showed some shoes before from the men's collection because they were gorgeous. And you know, sometimes if I see something that I like, it doesn't matter if it's from the men's side or women's side, as long as it fits me and goes with my style, my aesthetic, then I'm definitely going to purchase it. All right, so yeah, but this one's from the women's collection, and actually this is a style that I think was very popular in men's and they never had it in women's, so they specifically made this shoe for the women's. So I guess maybe they're getting a lot of women buying from the men's side or inquiring if there's something similar like that for the women to have. Just because, again, although you can buy men's shoes, I think the only thing that I find is when I buy men's shoes, like sometimes their feet are much more wider than my feet. So although I have wide feet, it's just like, it's not always a good comparable size. Even if I get something that's like the size that would be comparable to what a woman's size is, it's like always just a little bit more spacious or looks more wider. But I don't have this problem with these shoes, so I am so happy. Let me pull this out of the box. So great. Okay, and I will put the name of the shoes on the screen because I don't remember the name. But again, it's like a classic shoe, or at least it's a classic, or at least it's a shoe that the men have had on their side for a while. And I got this in like a dark denim. So these are the shoes. All right. Make sure that I put that in there. Yes. It's so funny because it does look like a men's shoes, but this actually is made just for women. Yes. But again, the men have a shoe that's very similar to this. Same style, same design, because I actually did try this style on when I was looking at some shoes on the men's side. It was this exact same style, but I don't think they had it in a size that was comparable to what I would wear in a, you know, for women's feet. So I couldn't get it. And then I was told, oh, they're going to release this, you know, soon for women. I just waited till that happened. And again, this was a bit of a time ago that it got released, but I made sure to get the shoe now and add it to my collection. So yes, I love this shoe. And I have tried it on as well. I've tried it on several times in the store just to make sure, because, you know, with shoes, once you buy them and then wear them, even though like, I want to say that Louis Vuitton does have a very generous policy, or at least a time frame for you to do like an exchange or return than other luxury brands. Still with shoes, you just want to make sure you get it in the right size. I got this in my correct size. Again, I thought this would go great with my jacket that I showed you guys, that I showed in my last Louis Vuitton haul. So I have like this beautiful white leather jacket. It's like leather on one side and like this different soft material. I can't even remember what kind of material that is, but it's a reversible jacket in all white. So I thought it'll be great with this. You know, it has the white with the color accent of the denim on here. So yeah, even though it's kind of hard to tell that it's denim until you like look at it up close, like from far away. I don't know if you can tell, it just looks like it's a black shoe, but literally up close you can tell that it is a dark denim, like a dark wash denim. So I love that. And I love to know that they're going to fix. I don't know if I ever mentioned the last pair of shoes that I bought from Louis Vuitton from the men's side, how I felt like I was swimming in that shoe, even though I had got something that was close to my size, but it seemed like it was really big on me still. Trying this on, knowing that it fits and hugs my feet, I love it. And then, you know, for me, shoes are meant to be worn. So I have not worn these yet. So the soles are pretty clean, because I know I definitely wouldn't be holding it like this if I wore this shoe. I'm definitely gonna put this into action and wear it sometime this week, because it's still pretty cool where I am, where I can wear, you know, some light layers with like my jacket and then wear my shoes. Like I said, I wanted to really pair it with the jacket that I have from Louis Vuitton. But yeah, that's the unboxing for today. Just a really nice, short and sweet one. Again, I just thought, hey, you know who might appreciate these shoes? My Fab fam. So I wanted to take the time and just pull them out and just show them to you before I just, you know, put them away in my closet until it was time to wear them. So yes, that's what I did today, and I thought this would be a great time to share it. I can actually, hold on, let me go ahead and take off this little styrofoam or protector so you can kind of see what's right here. But again, it's just the logo of the shoe that was right there. So nothing too special, just the LV monogram all over. But yeah, I really love this shoe. It's just simple, it's just an everyday shoe. You know, if you want to wear it, you can throw it on with some jeans and go. A regular tennis shoe, and it's not a regular price, but I don't know, I liked these shoes because I really liked the ones with the Swarovski crystals that are really similar to this. So I thought, if I love that shoe, I'm gonna love this shoe. So that's why I got it, yeah. And then again, like I said, it doesn't have all those crystals on it, so I don't feel as like standing out too much, or like I have to wear it for like maybe a special occasion or events. I mean, they're tennis shoes, you never really have to do that. But with this, at least I feel less inclined to have that pressure of like, am I doing too much if I wear this? I thought this would be perfect, you know, no matter what I have on. If I want to put these on, that will be fine. That's why I got these shoes. Cannot wait to wear them. You know what, I might actually wear these tomorrow. Yeah, it would be a good idea. I'll be very casual tomorrow anyways, so I think I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Now, let me know what you think about the shoes. Do you have a pair of Louis Vuitton shoes that you love, or have you been thinking about a pair of shoes? I mean, have you seen Pharrell's collection of stuff? I'm sure everyone's seen it, but is there something from that collection, from his shoe line, that you know have been eyeing? Because I know I've been eyeing a few things. I mean, a lot of the stuff on that collection. And even though, again, it's men's, so I said don't Don't stay away from the men's collection because they be having some nice pieces, from shoes to clothing to bags, just, you know, whatever might tickle your fancy. They have that at Louis Vuitton, and I've been eyeing a few pieces from the Pharrell collection. But yeah, let me know, are there any certain pieces that you like from the collection? Are there any shoes that you like? I'd like to know about how you feel about the shoes. Maybe you have a pair of these shoes. Have you liked them so far? Leave a comment below. I would love to know. And again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can stay notified when I drop a video. Until then, I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.